Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. It's such a simple look to recreate, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, I already have my eyebrows done. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, the shade Granite. And I already primed my eyelids with my Tarts Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. I don't set my eyelids just because that makes my eyeshadow pop way more if I don't. So today I'm going to just be doing a natural glam eyeshadow. Just because I asked my husband, should I beat my face or should I just do a natural glam? We're just going to be going out to celebrate his birthday because today is his birthday. And yeah, so I'm gonna be taking my Morphe 9A palette, and I'm gonna be taking the shade Myself. Let me just right here. I'm gonna be taking on my Essence Eye Blender blush, and I'm just gonna be taking that all over my crease. Let me just blend out my, because I need it to be nice and flat before I apply eyeshadow. I'm gonna just be packing it on right here. Sorry if you hear my baby. He's playing with my baby sister. But yeah, I decided to do a get ready with me because this is gonna be a very natural eye look, so why not? Alright, after I have all of this nice and blended out, I'm gonna be taking Splendid right here. It's just a little darker, and just applying that all over my lid. I'm gonna make these two eyeshadows blend together to make them look like one, because this is a natural eye look. I'm not going to do anything crazy for him. I know my husband. I just know he loves this type of natural glam. For my husband, natural glam is lashes, eyeshadow, and a beat face, but obviously the eyeshadow being really soft. Because when I just have lashes on, he's like, you look so weird. Like, your eyes look really weird. He's so used to me having eyeshadow on. So yeah, that's my natural glam for him. Alright, so I'm gonna just do my other eye off camera just to make things faster, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is all for my eyeshadow. It's just literally two shades. I'm doing a tight line right here where my lashes are at, just so I can blend my falsies with my real ones. Now I'm just gonna take my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Alchemy and use this as my highlight. I've been recently using this one as my highlight, and it looks so freaking beautiful. Now I'm gonna just be taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and just prime my face before I go in with my foundation. Now I'm just gonna be taking my Milani 2-in-1 concealer. I'm in the shade Creamy Vanilla. Can y'all tell my ear is so red? I don't know why. I think I hurt it or something. Like, I don't know. It started hurting for no reason. And it's annoying. Alright, so now for concealer, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer in C2. Honestly, I like this concealer. I feel like it's not. Like, I've seen so many reviews, and like a bunch of like people say it's a dupe for the Tarts Shape Tape, and honestly, I do not think so. This concealer is like so lightweight on your face, and I love that. I love that it's so lightweight. Like, to be honest, I think this is a dupe for like the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now those, I feel like it's a dupe. I feel like it's a little bit more coverage than the Fit Me one, but I feel like those are similar. But yeah, I love this concealer. It works really nice it don't crease, and it's only $7. I ain't gonna lie. Now I'm just taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm in the shade 01 Fair Light. I know there's a lighter one, and I feel like that one would be better for me for my under eye, but I love this one. It just gives my face color. So I put some on the tapadera, on the cap. I take that all over my face. So now I'm just gonna be going in with my Milani bronzer. It does not have a name, but I sometimes forget, but when I look it up, I know the name. So I'll just have that in my link down below. I love this bronzer. It does have glitter, but it looks so beautiful on the skin. It's more like towards an orange type of bronzer, but I love it. I don't know. I just feel like it makes my whole entire face look more bronzy kinda. The chunks of glitter, you can't really tell. Only on sunlight you can tell, obviously, that you have glitter where your bronzer is at. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my Tarte Blush Bliss palette, and I only use basically genuine from here. Oh, I love this shade. It's so freaking beautiful. And I'm just going to be tapping that on my cheeks. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my powder brush, taking a little bit of that, and just putting it on top of my blush and bronzer, just to blend everything out really nicely. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking my primer water once again and spraying my face so I can diffuse the powder so it can look smooth. I go heavily with setting spray because I notice that if I don't, then my face still looks powdery, and when I fucking drench my face of setting spray, oh my god, like my face is so smooth. Like, oh, if that's still your problem to where your face does not look smooth even after you add setting spray, drench your face again, because that's what it needs. Trust me. Like, I've done it with any setting spray, and it makes your makeup melt. It makes your makeup melt beautifully in your skin. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Shock Shadow again, and I'm going to be using this one as highlight. Now for this eyeshadow, I do wet my brush before I apply it on my face, and that's because it looks way more beautiful and vibrant when I do wet my brush. So I first like to tap on my highlight, and then I'll blend it out. This just makes my highlight look way more, it makes it look more beautiful and really smooth. And I noticed this eyeshadow does not pick up any of my texture on my face. Alright, so now I'm just going to be applying these lashes right here from Sconhead. I don't know, I'll just have them linked down below. They're in the style MH03. How beautiful. Okay. I'm just right here measuring them to see what I have cut so they look natural. Oh wow. Oh wow, look, I don't have to cut anything, and it's sticking so fucking nicely with just a little glue that it comes with. Oh wow, these are beautiful. That's amazing. This is the first eyelash that I find I don't have to cut. Obviously you do cut the little tips right there. You see that little extra part? Sorry, it's not focusing. You see them little extra tips right there? Yes, you do cut those off so they don't hurt your eyeball. That's what pokes your eyes, and that's what makes your eyelash lift even easier. See, now this is how they're supposed to look after you cut them little tips. Now I'm just going to be taking my duo glue and applying that to my lash. Alright, so these are the lashes on. Oh my god, how beautiful are they? They're so beautiful. I think these might be my new favorite lashes. After I apply my lashes, I'm just going to apply some mascara. It's just any mascara that I have sitting here. After I apply my mascara, I just pinch my lashes, my fake ones and my real ones, just so they can blend in way more. I'm gonna just be taking Splendid to smoke out my bottom lash line. Now I'm just gonna be taking the same mascara and applying it to my bottom lashes. Alright you guys, so now I'm just gonna lip line my lips with the Knobby lip liner and cocoa. Oh wow. Well, let me sharpen it first now. Now I'm just gonna be taking my Black Radiance liquid lipstick in the shade 5403. Alright, so this is the final look. I am just gonna straighten my hair because it's still wet, so I'm gonna wait till it dries. I'm gonna straighten my hair and then I'm gonna change. So I'm gonna go and do that and I'll be right back. But so far, this is what I'm working with. This is the final look right here. It's so simple. Let me just... Alright, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, comment. That looks so ugly saying that. Subscribe, comment, like, and...
I'll see you.
Oh yeah. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, it looks so pretty. Yeah.